Ever asked for someone's contact information in German and worried if you sounded polite enough? The difference between Sie and Du isn't just about formality. It's about making a genuine, respectful connection. Today, we're not just learning phrases, we're learning the etiquette of German connection, starting with the foundation of courtesy. Let's begin with the basics, but with a deeper understanding. You probably know Danke, say it like Danke for thank you. But what about please and you're welcome? Both are often covered by one incredibly versatile word, Bitte. Bitte. Bitte means please. For example, if you're offering something, you might say Kaffee bitte? Kaffee bitte, which can mean coffee please, or would you like coffee? You can also use it to simply ask for something. Ein Wasser bitte. Ein Wasser bitte. A water, please. But bitte also means you're welcome. So if someone says Danke, you can simply reply bitte. It's polite, common, and incredibly useful in many situations. For a slightly more emphatic you're welcome, especially if you genuinely enjoyed helping, you can say gern geschehen. Gern geschehen, which means gladly done or my pleasure. Another common, more casual response is kein Problem, meaning no problem. And for excuse me or I'm sorry, we have Entschuldigung. Say it like Entschuldigung. Use this if you accidentally bump into someone or to politely get someone's attention in a store or on the street. If you need to apologize for something more serious, it can also mean I'm sorry. Now, let's get to making connections. When asking for someone's contact details, remember our golden rule from previous lessons. Sie for formal situations or people you don't know well, and Du for informal settings or friends. When in doubt, especially when first meeting someone, always start with Sie. To ask, what is your phone number, formally, you'd say, Wie ist Ihre Telefonnummer? Wie ist Ihre Telefonnummer? What is your phone number? And informally, if you're already on a first name basis and have established a more casual relationship, Wie ist deine Telefonnummer? Wie ist deine Telefonnummer? To respond and give yours, you'd say, Meine Telefonnummer ist, meine Telefonnummer ist, my phone number is, followed by your digits. In German, phone numbers are usually given digit by digit. So, for example, 0178 would be 0178. Let's try a quick practice with a full number. If your number was 01234567890, you'd say 012345678990. Remember, practicing those numbers out loud will make them feel much more natural. For email, the question is very similar. Wie ist Ihre E-Mail-Adresse? Wie ist Ihre E-Mail-Adresse? This is the formal way. And informally, wie ist deine E-Mail-Adresse? To give yours, you'd state, meine E-Mail-Adresse ist, meine E-Mail-Adresse ist, my email address is. A quick note on email symbols. The @ symbol is often called Klammeraffe, which literally means clip monkey or spider monkey. However, you can also simply say @ just like in English, and a dot is Punkt. Sometimes you want to offer your details rather than waiting to be asked. You could politely ask, Kann ich Ihnen meine Nummer geben? Kann ich Ihnen meine Nummer geben? Can I give you my number? This is formal. Or simply offer it directly. Hier ist meine E-Mail-Adresse. Hier ist meine E-Mail-Adresse. To encourage a follow-up, you might say, Rufen Sie mich bitte an. Rufen Sie mich bitte an. Please call me. Formal. Or informally, Ruf mich bitte an. For email communication, you could say, Schreiben Sie mir bitte eine E-Mail. Schreiben Sie mir bitte eine E-Mail. Please write me an email. After exchanging details and making that connection, it's nice to wrap up politely. A common phrase is Es war schön, Sie kennenzulernen. Es war schön, Sie kennenzulernen, which means it was nice to meet you. This is the formal version. Or informally, if appropriate, Es war schön, dich kennenzulernen. You can also express anticipation for future contact. Ich freue mich darauf, von Ihnen zu hören. Ich freue mich darauf, von Ihnen zu hören. I look forward to hearing from you. And of course, a common and friendly farewell is bis bald. Bis bald, meaning see you soon. Or the more formal and general, auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Mastering these phrases, especially the crucial Sie versus du distinction, empowers you to connect authentically and respectfully in German. Practice them, use them confidently, and watch your ability to build relationships truly grow. You're not just speaking German, you're making genuine connections. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson.